Chris, I'm a little concerned. Are you a doctor?
Yeah.
Are you playing with Boris?
Yeah.
What is happening? Lay down.
Go progressive and read the details.
50啊。Are you giving her a hair? Are you giving her a haircut? What is happening? Pretty.
Skeeter.
You hungry?
Well, 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 I think I'm taking over this rug.
Girl, why'd you bring your kid to my bed?
well. Oh, you got a brain cell today. Nope.
Hello. No! No!
Stop. Stop, Redman. Quit.
You're mean.
Hey! Hey! Are you happy now?
Chucky.
Damn it, Chucky. This motherfucker just ate my pizza. You can have one bite. It's pistachio ice cream.
So, obviously he... Oh!
Kyle. Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
She's going in. She's in. She's in. She's panicking.
He's never seen a man do the dishes.
No, you jumped over these double baked.
What? No.
What's it on? Fucking hellfire. Is it in there? There he is. What the hell?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants. Oi, meow.
What the hell? Are you tiny? Oh my god, he's in jail. What did you do